Hey there, everybody. This is Ben Engelman with Friedrich Iowa Realty here with the Engelman Team, and I'm going to do a video series here on building. The process can be very daunting to some when they even think about it. You hear about past experiences and maybe some hiccups that some people had, expectations weren't set right, different things like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to break this down into about a 9 or 10 part series. So just nice short videos so you can go through, kind of get a good expectation. And one of the reasons I'm doing this is strictly just for inventory. So we have a lot of great builders around central Iowa and in Ames in particular that can build you a great home. And you'll hear all the cost or the time frame, or it was horrible, the expectations weren't set right. Those types of things. But if you're led through the process, no matter what the builder is, you'll be able to actually have a great time. So I hope you enjoy these, and we'll just get right to it.